Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TalkMira, the podcast where we help you speak real English, natural English, confident English every single week. I'm Jay.
And I'm Mira. So happy to have you here today. No textbooks, no boring drills. Let's go. Jay, I have something to show you.
What is it?
Your message from this morning to our office group.
Which message?
You wrote, "Did you had breakfast, everyone? I did not had time this morning." You sent that to the whole group.
How many people are in that group?
47.
47 people saw that.
And that is exactly today's episode. Because was, did, and had are three of the most mixed up words in English. And most people make this mistake every single day without realizing.
So it is not just me.
It is definitely not just you. Today, one topic. Was, did, and had. 3 words. One simple rule. By the end of this episode, no more wrong messages to 47 people.
That is the most important promise we have ever made.
It really is.
Okay, let me show everyone exactly what I wrote. Ask me about my morning.
Did you had breakfast this morning?
No, I did not had time.
Notice something just happened.
What? I answered the question.
2 mistakes in 2 sentences. Did you had and did not had. Both wrong.
But had is past tense. Breakfast was in the past, so had makes sense.
That is exactly what everyone thinks. And that is exactly why everyone gets it wrong. Same conversation, fixed. Did you have breakfast this morning?
No, I did not have time. Wait, so both times it is just have, not had?
Yes, and today we explain exactly why. With one rule you will never forget. If you have been saying, "Did you had," or "I did not had," you are not alone. This is one of the most common mistakes English learners make every single day. You were not taught this clearly. Today, we fix that.
Okay, what is the rule? Because honestly, I thought 2 past tense words made more sense.
One rule only. Think of it like a kitchen with one chef. In every sentence, only one word does the past tense job.
1 chef, 1 kitchen.
When did is in the sentence. Did is already the chef. It already handled the past tense. So everything after did goes back to simple form.
So did plus simple form.
Always. Did you have breakfast? Not had. Did you go there? Not went. Did you see that? Not saw.
Did is the boss and everyone else becomes simple.
Exactly. Did is the boss.
What about was? When do I use that?
Was is for a completely different situation. Was describes how something felt or was in the past. Not what happened, but what something was like.
Like, was she happy? Was the food good? Was it cold?
Perfect. Was for descriptions and feelings. Did for actions. 2 different bosses, 2 different jobs.
Simple. And had?
Had has 2 jobs only. First, when you owned something in the past. I had a car. She had a headache.
Had for owning something.
Second, when something happened before another past thing. I had eaten before she called. The eating happened first.
So had alone is fine, but had after did is always wrong.
That is the most important thing. Did plus had, 2 bosses, chaos. Never together.
And quickly, if this is making sense right now, hit that subscribe button. New episode every single week. It genuinely means everything to us.
Now, back to the lesson.
Okay, let me try. Ask me about my weekend, Mira.
What did you do this weekend?
It was so cold outside, I stayed home. I had already eaten dinner when my friend called.
All 3 words. All correct. Just like that.
Was for the description, cold weather. Did in your question, simple form after. Had for the thing that happened first, eating before the call.
Notice something just happened. Jay used all three naturally in one real conversation. One chef per kitchen, every single time. Quick fix time. Wrong. Did you had breakfast? Two bosses, one kitchen, never. Right. Did you have breakfast? Did is boss, simple form after, always. Remember, one boss per sentence. Did plus simple. Was for descriptions. Had alone for owning or earlier past. Every wrong message, every confused sentence, you were doing your best. Now you have the one boss rule.
And one more thing. If this episode helped you, our make versus do episode will blow your mind too. Same kind of confusion, same simple fix. It is on your screen right now.
Did you watch it yet? Or did you have it saved for later?
See, I used both correctly. I am a changed man.
He really is.
Next time you write a message, one boss per sentence. Did plus simple. Was for descriptions. Had alone. No more 47 people seeing your mistakes.
And if today helped, subscribing takes 1 second, and it genuinely means the world to us. We make this for you every single week.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira.
Keep talking.
Keep growing.